Most trading videos will give you 10, 15, even 20 mistakes. That's noise. After years in the markets, I realized almost all of them fall into just 5. If you fix these, you fix your trading. The first mistake is trading without an edge. Most traders are just reacting to charts, indicators, or signals they don't fully understand. If you can't clearly define why your strategy should work over 100 trades, you don't have an edge. The second mistake is inconsistent execution. You might have a good strategy, but you don't follow it the same way every time. You hesitate, you enter late, you exit early. One trade follows the plan, the next one doesn't. That inconsistency destroys even profitable systems. The third mistake is judging results too early. Traders take 5 or 10 trades, lose a few, and abandon the strategy. That's not how probability works. 1 trade means nothing. 10 trades mean very little. You need a large sample size to know if something actually works. The fourth mistake is poor risk management. Most people focus on entries, but entries are the least important part. Position size, stop placement, and overall risk exposure determine whether you survive long enough to improve. Bad risk will wipe you out even with a good strategy. The fifth mistake is having no feedback loop. No journal, no review, no data. If you're not tracking what you do, you can't improve it. Every professional trader relies on data, not memory. Your trade history is your most valuable asset. Now, here's the truth. These 5 mistakes are not separate. They compound. No edge leads to random trades. Random trades lead to inconsistent execution. Inconsistency leads to bad results. And without data, you never fix any of it. If you fix just one of these, your trading improves. Fix all 5, and you stop trading emotionally and start trading systematically. If you want more videos focused on real trading skills, not hype, subscribe.